Okay, this message now for all the Igbos people, where the Igbo people where they do business for Lagos. You understand? You they do business whether you be man or woman. You get updates where I won't give you. Now you can see that no matter how the government to care, pretend to love you people, it still seems like they still go at your back and still continue destroying your properties, destroying shops, and in the name of they are trying to there's something that they are trying to renovate or design, put some things in order and all that kind of things, destroying properties, demolishing properties. Now, in spite of this, now I want to give you an update for those of you where they Lagos. See what you go do now. A good as you begin at this period now to move your goods, and this is basically for those where those where they import this thing products. Your side they like you enter container they bring from China or whatever country you import products like that or goods from those countries. Look, Onne, that's in River State. Onne Airport, Seaport is available for you. That's the recent update now. Onne, that's Onne Seaport is available for you to discharge, that's to push your goods to that place down to the east. Don't ever think that this government will sleep on this issue of destroying property. Some people have started relocating. You understand? Some have started moving their goods down to the east. You understand? So just use this opportunity now, and begin to pack your goods. Now, just begin to move your goods down to the east. And secondly, those of you expecting more, there's new products now. You can move those ones down to Onne. Onne Airport is now ready. You understand? It's now the current area now for you to, you understand, discharge your goods. Get your goods there and also send it down to east, which is much closer. You understand? So I want to advise you now, right now, go through Onne Seaport. Onne Seaport. Onne Seaport is the one now moving. It's currently available now. Can be used now at this point now for your goods to be moved down to the east. So this update now is for those of you who don't have idea, who are still expecting to feeling that the government of Lagos will not also demolish the building, demolish your shops in one way or the other. So this update, I want you to put this update to your mind and begin as much as possible to start relocating your goods, relocating your products, relocating your items down to the east for your own good. Some people keep saying, but east is like this, east like that, bro. East is like that, it's like this. How many states? Is Ebony like that? Is good like that? Abia State, what of Abia State? Anambra, what of? Why will you be talking about those kind of things? Is Lagos better? Lagos with all the whole hold up and go slow and hold up and unnecessary noise pollution and air pollution they are going on. Is that where you feel comfortable? So this is an update that is best for you. So make sure you key into this thing and begin to move your goods down to Onne now. That's for those of you who are expecting goods. Just move it straight to Onne, then from Onne down to east, down to Onne is part of east, but just from there you can move it down to the Igbo speaking areas of the North Nigeria. That's Abia State, Imo, Anambra, and the rest of them. So this is a very good update I'm giving to you. What I'm trying to say is Onne Seaport now is ready. Onne Seaport is ready for every Igbo man, Igbo woman who wants to drive his business down the east. So just do that, keen to this, and let other people, your friends, your well-wishers, to also get them to know about this update. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates. All right.